This video tutorial I will explain what is hashing. Imagine a hash like a super fast storage place for things you use often. It is like having a small shelf right next to your desk where you keep your most frequently used items. Faster access. When you need something like a book or toy, instead of going to the big storage room, which is slower, what you can do is you can check your little shelf first. If it is there, great. You can grab it quickly. Limited space. But here is the catch. If your shelf is quite small, you cannot keep everything there. You have to choose only the most important or commonly used stuff to put on the shelf. Regular updates. You also need to pay attention to what is on your shelf. If you stop using something or if you get a new favorite, you should replace items on the shelf accordingly. In the tech world, hash is similar to the small shelf which is having most frequently used items. Hash is a super fast storage area on your computer or server that keeps frequently used information handy. Hash helps your computer run faster because it does not have to search through the big storage places every time it needs something. But just like your shelf, it has limited space. So it cannot keep everything. So it needs regular updates to stay useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.